Hello there, car lovers! Today, we're going to talk about something that no one ever wants to experience. Removing paint from your car. It's a hassle, it's a pain, and it's just plain inconvenient. But fear not, because we're going to teach you how to do it in the most efficient and humorous way possible. First things first, let's try to tackle the paint splatters with some rubbing alcohol. It's cheap, it's readily available, and it's not as strong as the stuff they use in strip clubs. Pour some of it on a towel and start rubbing the affected area. Make sure you're doing it in a circular motion, like you're trying to polish a trophy. Don't worry about applying too much pressure. Your car won't break like your heart did when your high school crush rejected you. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Also, if you have any suggestions for future videos, let us know in the comments below. If the rubbing alcohol doesn't do the trick, it's time to bring out the big guns. The nail polish remover. Yeah, you heard it right. Nail polish remover. Don't worry, it's not just for when you need to remove your failed attempts at giving yourself a manicure. Pour some of it on a towel and start rubbing again, just like you did with the rubbing alcohol. The fumes might be a bit strong, so you might want to do this in a well-ventilated area or wear a gas mask like you're in a war zone. But hey, it's worth it if it means getting rid of those pesky paint splatters. And there you have it. A clean car that looks like it never had paint splatters to begin with. But wait, there's more. If you want to take it up a notch, you can use some car wax to make your car shine like a diamond. Just apply some wax to a soft cloth and rub it into the surface of your car. It's like putting on makeup, but for your car. And voila! Your car is now ready to hit the road, looking as good as new. And you did it all without breaking the bank or your back. So go ahead, try it out for yourself, and let us know in the comments how it worked for you. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful and humorous car tips.